Well, it's day 5 um, since I've had the knee replacement. Um, it's been, I guess, uh, very similar to yesterday. Um, I have a sore a sore left leg. There's no denying that. I'm taking pain meds for that. What I was prescribed was hydromorphone, and I probably covered this before, but it's not doing anything. So I'm taking a prescription that I have left over for Percocet, and I'm trying to get in to see a doctor to get a new prescription for it because I'm just going to need to take it. It's taken the edge off somewhat. But I was able to do my exercises this morning. I do have sort of like just a whole leg ache, like just from the hip down to the toe. It's just aching. It's just it's just painful, but it's part of the healing process. The bruising has just come out even more. So it's just that's again all part of the healing process. The swelling is still there. Yeah, so it's just nothing new. It's just the next day, and it's very similar to yesterday. So it's just an ongoing problem that I wish would hurry up and sort itself out, but it's just going to take however long it takes. And that's the bruising that I've got today. It's getting a little bit more. It's still swollen. I still have a little bit of pins and needles in my heel is what I've got. But you can see there's the swelling and the bruising. The other side is not really showing the same sort of bruising, but that's it. That is what's going on right now. In the morning on the 5th day, and we'll see how the day progresses. I plan on doing all the exercises today, so we'll go from there. We'll talk later. So this is day 5. This is the end of day 5, about 6 o'clock. So this was my best day yet for getting around, for being able to do the exercises. This was it was a good day, but I'm still in a lot of pain. My calf is swollen, my foot is swollen, my knee's swollen. The bruising in around the knee is quite extensive, but I had no illusions that it wouldn't be. But that's what I'm dealing with, and I'm finding it hard to sit down in a chair with my knee in a 90-degree position. That is uncomfortable. So I move around trying to get that in a comfortable position. And then when you're getting out of bed or moving that leg, sometimes I'll use my right leg just to sort of guide my left leg, or hold it up a little bit when I'm getting out of bed so that when you're coming over the edge of the bed, it doesn't sort of fall. Just trying to cushion the knee so that I'm not, having that moment of pain, right? So I guess I'm treating it, I don't know, trying to treat it so that I don't have that jolt. But that's how today's been. So it's a good day. It was 2 steps forward today. And just the pain, I'm still, in a fair bit of pain, taking the painkillers, trying to, do everything in the right manner, not to cause additional issues. So when I sit up, or when I get up into the walker, I'm always using my right leg as my stationary, planting that first, doing everything that I've been told to do to, just protect my knee joint until it, and then, relax that as the days go on. But yeah, that's day 5. So, swollen, hard to move, bruised, but it's a good day. So that's it. I'm happy. I'm happy with how it's going. And just looking to do the best I can to have the best recovery possible, and that's kind of where it's at. So anyway, that's the end of day 5. So hopefully I'll sleep better. I'll sleep better tonight. Last night I got 5.5 hours sleep. It was something like that, so it's been better. I'm sleeping on my back a little bit better, but I'm also still trying to roll over on my side to see if I can handle the side sleeping, because I know I'll sleep better if I can sleep on my side. But anyway, that's the end of day 5. See you in day 6.